go in and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want.
She ate for real. Hey y'all, it's your girl Rocky Dimples back with another video, and today's video is gonna be my birthday prep. My birthday prep, y'all. Let me put this AC down so y'all can hear me. But yeah, this year turning 25, 25, you already know. And I'm on the way to my lash appointment. I am running about 10 minutes late, but once I get there, I'm gonna show you guys the setup and everything. I don't know if I'll be able to film because my eyes are gonna be closed and I'm not gonna be able to record and stop. But you guys already know, I always tag my fellow business owners either on the video or in the description bar. So yeah, make sure y'all look at that. These cars are driving stupid and slow right now and it's pissing me off. What are you doing? I'm telling you, y'all, like, people really cannot drive in Florida. It's bad. But anyways, I'm on the way. I'm thinking about getting wispy mega volume with bottoms, cause y'all know I love me a good lash. Hello. Alright y'all, so I just finished with my lashes and I did the wispy mega volume with bottoms. And the reason why it looks like a lot on my eyes is because I do have a lot of eyelashes, but I like getting them thick because they'll last a lot longer. And no, you could definitely tell the difference of how I looked before. My camera is about to die, so I just wanted to show you guys how my lashes were looking. But yeah, my nail and feet appointment is tomorrow, and then my hair appointment is on Thursday, and my birthday is on Friday. So stay tuned for the rest of the glam. Eyelashes is done. I'm about to flutter away, book with my girl, and yes. Hey YouTube, day 2 of my birthday prep. I am basically about 4 minutes away for my nail and my feet appointment. Lashes is still lashing, and I'm gonna put on the screen the nail inspo and my feet inspo that I'm gonna do. It's real cute. So my birthday theme is like a bow theme, so I know everyone's been doing it, but I need to do it, you know. So anyways, it's gonna be a bow theme. I'm gonna have bows on my nails and my feet, and I'm also gonna have bows in my hair as well. And I love my nail tech down. We've collabed multiple times before. She's in the Orlando area, Apopka area, if you are in that area. So you guys can book with her. Sorry y'all, I'm driving and trying to film, but once I get there, I'm gonna, like, you know, show y'all the process of the nails and the feet, you know, little clips here and there. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you guys are not subscribed to me, click that subscribe button and click that bell button so you're notified whenever I post, and I'll see you guys soon. Y'all, she does the junk cases as well. Yes. Real cute.
Yeah. It's a full experience.
Yes, the book.
My bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. Yeah. She fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume, high volume, high volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't down south, bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie and the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In the cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa, whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole bitch from shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier matching nails, ho. No competition, these bitches stay at home. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail hoes. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. I'm in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it.
So I just wanted to show you guys a better look at how my nails look after the appointment. And she did exactly what I needed her to do. Like, it is so cute. It looks exactly like the picture. And then here are my toes. It's like a pink French. And yes, I love them, you guys. So cute. It's like that pink croquette pearl theme. And yeah. Hey YouTube, so I am on the way to my hair appointment. It is 9:02 a.m. about running like 5 minutes late because I had to get gas because winter was running low and I had to make sure she had, you know, the means to bring me to the appointment and bring me, you know, back home. So I'm glad I got that out the way instead of having to do it after. I just didn't want to be stuck on this side of town. But anyways, I told her I'm 5 minutes away. You guys are gonna see the process. Hopefully she'll let me record. I always ask you know, people, if they let me record. It's my first time getting my hair done by her, so we will see. But yeah, I dropped the wig off on Tuesday, so today's Thursday. My birthday is tomorrow, and I am excited. Lashes are done, nails are done, feet is done. Now we just need the hair, so I will see you guys later.
Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young on the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt.
Y'all, she ate for real. Looks so cute. I said the edges are really cute too. My appointment was at 9. It's 11:09. Hold on, y'all. It's 11:09. In and out. Y'all better book. So I'm all done with my hair appointment. Just walked out. I was taking a whole bunch of videos and stuff in her place or whatever, but Unique ate down, baby. She ate down. The experience was 10 out of 10. If you're in the Orlando area, book with her for real. Orlando area, book with her. Like, look at this. This is so cute. It's giving goddess for sure, for sure. And my appointment was at 9. I literally finished at, let me show you guys the time. It is 11:33. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah, she ate. So, that concludes my birthday prep. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I make it home. But yeah, this concludes my birthday prep, and I hope y'all love my hair.